Hi everybody, Happy New Year. Wow, can't believe it's 2020 already. Anyway, I did some crafting over, um, New Year's with some friends, and we stayed and crafted all day. And then, so I haven't been on much lately, and I haven't done many challenges. And when I was watching a video from Jackie, who is CraftieJjNEWton here on YouTube, I figured, oh, I want to, try that since I've been on a kick with these ATC cards. So her challenge is her 1,000 subby anniversary and birthday challenge. So I wanted to make um, Jackie an a pocket letter, and this is what I created for her. I made a banner that went across the top that says Jackie. I used my banner punch and my square, I think it's an inch punch or quarter inch or 3/4 inch punch. In the first pocket, well, all of them, I don't remember what paper line I used. This was a pre-cut pocket letter, and I just decorated it. um, Added some modeling paste with floral, some book pages on each card. Added a metal butterfly with some stamens, and I just kind of layered it with pieces from my stash here. Here's a bow with a flower and some pearls. And on the outside, I used this garland, or I think it's a border, and I added some flat pack pearls to it. Let me bring it up here. Some more modeling paste with pearls. Here's a metal leaf. And each page or each card has some book pages on it, sporadically added. Here's a ticket from my stash, and I inked it up, and I added some lace. Here's the other part of that ticket, and I just layered some border strips. Same here, this is a metal piece, it's like a charm, I think. And I added some lace to it. And then this one, I just did some modeling paste on this one. I didn't really add too much to it because there's a pearl right there. And then in the back are her goodies, and I'm not going to share them until she gets it. And then she wanted an ATC, and I'm not going to share the ATC because I've made it ahead of time. But I just want to show you this little box that I just got in the mail. It's not a box, it's actually a die, and it was came like this with this little I don't know if it's a bunny rabbit or a bear, I can't tell, but it was just like this. It's a really cute piece. I'm so glad I got it because I'm gonna be putting my ATCs in here because it fits perfectly, an ATC card. So I added some paper to the back, and to the front. I added some lace to close this bag, and then this is one of my rosettes that I made with the big bling in the center, and I just thought it was perfect size. The ATC is inside there, and it just fits it perfectly. Oops. So I just wanted to share that. So this is my video response to Jackie's birthday 100 subby anniversary. I hope Jackie likes it, and yeah. So it's my first project for 2020. Well, no, it's not actually my first project. It's actually my second project for 2020. Or was it? No, this was my first project for 2020. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.